In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send connection requests on LinkedIn. If you're new to LinkedIn or simply want to make sure you're using it correctly, this is a very simple process. Sending a connection request is one of the easiest ways to start building your professional network, stay in touch with colleagues, and connect with people in your industry. To begin, open LinkedIn and go to your feed. This is the main homepage where you'll usually see posts, updates, and activity from your network. Starting from the feed is helpful because it confirms that you're logged in and ready to navigate anywhere else on the platform. Once you're on the LinkedIn feed, the next step is to go to the profile page of the person you want to connect with. You might get there by searching for their name in the search bar, clicking on their name from a post, or opening their profile from another section of LinkedIn. The important thing is that you arrive on their profile page because that's where the connection option is typically available. When you're on the right profile, take a quick moment to make sure it's the correct person. This is especially useful if the name is common or if there are multiple people with similar job titles. Checking their photo, headline, company, or location can help you avoid sending a request to the wrong person. After that, look for the connect button on their profile and click it. This is the action that starts the connection request. In many cases, LinkedIn may give you the option to send the request right away. And in some situations, you might also see an option to include a note. If a note is available, it can be a good idea to briefly introduce yourself or mention why you'd like to connect, especially if you haven't spoken before. Keeping it short and professional usually works best. Once you click connect and confirm the request, LinkedIn sends it to that person. After that, all you need to do is wait for them to accept. If they do, they'll become part of your network and you'll be able to interact more easily through messages, posts, and other LinkedIn features. And that's all it takes to send a connection request on LinkedIn. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference when you're trying to grow your professional presence online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.